Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am taking care of an issue that has long bothered me about the BMW. You see the inspection light, the oil service light, that is finally going to be fixed, and the fluttering temperature. I'm finally going to get that fixed. There's one mechanic in Astoria who knows how to fix that issue. Yeah, the car's looking good overall. Everything is working great. So it's a matter of just addressing the issue at hand, and we're gonna go from there. The gas needle gauge. There was a moment in time when I was driving this car from the grocery store to my house. The temperature reading was fluttering really high, but the car was performing well. But the other one was the gas needle gauge. I was registering a quarter tank. Meanwhile, I felt the car sputtering and backfiring, and I'm like, wait a minute, that's not normal, getting all these reactions, and the car was just like lurching forward no matter how far I pressed the accelerator pedal. And then the car was almost dying on me, and I was able to luckily pull it into the gas station. Through that instance, I filled it up with gas, and when I started the car up, it started to sputter, and then it started to run smoothly. So I was literally running on fumes. That's how I learned that the quarter mark is the lowest reading that will register for gas in my car. So on the highway, you could see everything just goes absolutely nuts. And that's a prime example. But the car sounds amazing. That inline six performs like no other car. Well, maybe other inline sixes. But the BMW inline six is distinct, and it sounds incredible. So to say the least, I'm very excited to get this issue addressed. It's basically like the motherboard behind this gas gauge cluster is finally going to be fixed. I had fixed the odometer reading. I got those gears and sprockets changed through speedometer.com, but BKM Auto is able to fix these things. But it'll be a great thing to finally drive this car and not have to see that orange light, which has been bothering me since the day I picked up this car. All right, guys, so I made it to BKM Automotive, and you see this beautiful 7 Series with the Sport Pack. And you see this gorgeous E30 325i that is in absolutely pristine condition, and of course that 5 Series in the distance. But this one definitely looks amazing in person. Probably needs a detail. We also have this later E39 5 Series with these awesome M-style wheels on this 540i. In addition, we have this E30 325i convertible in this diamond blue metallic color, which is absolutely perfect. Automatic transmission, but the color is incredible. But my absolute favorite has to be this Alpina wheeled 2002. Now this has to be a beautiful red, cherry red Beamer. Perfect color. I even like the wheel choice. And I love the reverse hood. Such a great detail on these early shark nose 6 Series BMWs. Continentals, good choice. Needs a little paint work on the nose, but that's nothing that we can't fix. So looking at cars in the rain is always deceptive, because you just never know what the paint really looks like in the rain. It just looks perfect. So today's a great day because I just got my car back from this wonderful shop that does vintage BMWs, BKM Auto. They took care of me, took care of the car. They got a few things working that weren't working before, such as the odometer trip computer. Got my receipt. And check this out, guys. What works now is this little cluster right over here. Start the car. Temperature is steady. Gas gauge is reading correctly. And there's no more warning lights. No more inspection lights or oil service light. This is an absolute miracle. I love it. And I could finally figure out how to, work with this thing over here. But it's an actual trip computer from 1983. So I'm excited. Car works. Everything's working great. I'll talk to you guys later. Take care. Have a good one. Bye.